Working out is an activity that doesn't seem too pleasant, but those extra pounds are always a thought at the back of our mind and keep us wishing for a healthier lifestyle, motivating us to be more active and work harder towards the ideal body shape. There are tons of exercises available online, but an instructor is the best when it comes to losing weight properly, since some exercises work on some people while not on others. There is, though, a guaranteed method to get in shape, generally valid. Burning calories. Being fit is the dream of any person, so if you're ready to commit to your goal, follow at least one of these 7 workouts and get awesome results. Number 1. Walking. It sounds too easy to be true, but yes, walking is a very effective way to burn calories as long as you have patience and determination. You need to dedicate yourself and use self-discipline to make sure that you keep walking every day for a certain amount of time at a certain pace. This is a workout that promises long-term results, but it's also a good way to keep your body in check, even if you don't need to lose weight. Number 2. Yoga and power yoga. Yoga is perfect for toning up, even though it takes longer to show results in weight loss. Stretching and power yoga are the perfect aid for increasing flexibility and getting muscles worked up, so daily training is recommended. A person with the weight of 80 kilograms will burn about 200 calories per hour of yoga, but the benefits are deeper in how your skin and muscles will look. Number 3. Jumping rope. This activity is more intense than it looks, and the results it gives are even greater. Half an hour of rope jumping will cut off about 350 calories, but the secret to this workout is to never stop in the middle or drink water until you're finished. This exercise shouldn't be paused. If you jump rope for 1 hour, do it with 1 break, but keep jogging around during it if you can, so that your heart maintains the pace for 60 minutes. Number 4. Kettlebell training. This is one of the most efficient ways to work out using just one piece of equipment, helping in weight loss much faster than the previous methods. Besides burning calories fast, the kettlebell is perfect for disciplined breathing and building up strength, more so if you learn it from an instructor. The only care you should have is to pay attention when using it and concentrating solely on working out, otherwise you can injure your back. Number 5. Crossfit and strength training. Strength training, or more commonly named weightlifting, is the workout you have to use to burn fat and gain muscle mass. Depending on your goal, you can use weights to maintain your body shape while developing a healthier body composition, the fat-muscle ratio. For a more intense strength-building exercise, try CrossFit. This workout will include push-ups, lunges, and pull-ups, which give really nice results. Number 6. Cycling. Normal cycling and running give similar results after a while, but with cycling you can push yourself further by adding resistance to your bike. Of course, the bigger the effort, the greater the results, so cycling uphill and pushing hard for at least 30 minutes will burn 350 calories, while leisure cycling in a normal environment will burn the same amount in 60 minutes. Just be careful to have a workout for your arms too, since this activity will seriously build up muscle in the lower part of the body, especially the thigh and calves area. Number 7. Swimming. This sport is the most indicated for those that need to lose weight evenly, since the whole body will be put to work. In breaststroke swimming, you burn calories faster since you're doing stroking with your hands, kicking with your legs, and tightening your abdomen. Being very pleasurable, the water resistance is slightly felt. In 30 minutes of swimming, you can burn up to 400 calories, which is very encouraging. Whatever you choose, just pay attention to your time and environment, plan ahead every step, and make a program to live by for a long time. The more committed you are, the more you'll feel motivated and energized. Sports make the body release happy hormones that keep you active, so just do your best to bear through the beginning and get the fit and healthy body that you always wanted. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more healthy tips and tricks, click subscribe and leave a comment below with what you want to see next.